So normally I would be using my other camera, but unfortunately I can't because downloading things to my phone sucks. So this is for my new cosplay. Yes, I will be making the Twisted Wolf, and I'm just going to show you real quick how I was able to program this. And here's a look at the wiring. So this will be for the eyes. And I basically just did some programming there. So this is forward position. Sideways. Sideways. Forward. And that's going to be on loop. Also, it just doesn't want to stay up. So another thing is that only one eyeball will be moving, and that's just because of the design. Okay, so for this next part, I'm going to go ahead and test what the voltage is for either battery. So I'm going to go to 9 volt. And then for the other one, this one is really stronger. It's 9.26 volts. Alright, now that's in. Now, off. And it's going to go ahead and do it by itself. So now it'll be able to run on its own. And that's about it for this update. I don't know what I'll be posting next, but it might not be another video for at least like a few months. I know I will be posting a birthday/anniversary video, but besides that, I'll see you next time. Peace.